Chris.
I'm Amy, and we are out today in Branson at the Waterfall Trail hiking, we think.
It's on this trail up here. We see a bunch of walkers coming up it.
We'll give it a go.
Gonna...
So weirdly, MapQuest takes you over and there is a parking lot, but then it's like right by this resort they've built. I bet they're questioning that. Waterfall.
The only ones here today.
Right by Westgate Branson Woods Resort, and then the parking lot for the trailhead is right there. And we're not the only one hiking this today.
And we just got done with
lunch. This is 0.66 mile.
Hopefully round trip. We're not for
They
sure.
said easy. We'll see. Not sure is right. Can't be that bad. It is Saturday, April 25th. We did Hackett Falls and Hollister this morning. That video will be out before this one. And then we're doing this. We also went to historic Downing Street in Branson and ate at the Downing Poorhouse, and it was really good. Had a black and blue burger. Both of us did. Now we're
gonna walk it off on this trail.
I'm very full. So we'll see how this trail is. Oh no. Look at that hill. We're gonna have to come back up. Here, babe.
Well, the trail's a little bit starting out a little bit rugged, not too bad. That's what it looks like. Should have brought water. But the good thing, it's shaded. It's got a lot of tree cover, so it ain't too bad.
Looks like we're gonna have to get wet feet though. I don't know that I'm feeling that. Here. Yeah, I think so. I think you're right. Pretty. Comes in the shop.
What you do for a living?
Teacher. So it's muddy and there's a ton of people on this lovely Saturday. Definitely don't wear good shoes, it said.
We got our boots. We should have put those on.
I hate walking in boots like that though. Saw some people we knew on the trail from our hometown. We also just did this hike. The tree log. Water slick. Huh. I think I'm gonna go her path. She had rocks. This is what I mean. It's very muddy out, given we've had rain the last couple of days. But that should make the waterfall cool. And this could be slick. Okay. Made it. Made it. Take our time. Let them go. Take a little crate. Wait a minute. Probably the busiest hike we've been on. I've seen like 20 people already, and we've been on this trail like for 10 minutes. Kind of hard to film with that many people. Kind of ruins it too. We're the people that are like, why are all the tourists here? But yet we're tourists. Really pretty. Should have got here like early this morning first thing. Should be a pretty little waterfall because there is a lot of water in this ground that is really wet. But it's pretty. We might already be there. If so, that was a really quick little walk. Like super quick. Want to go right there and get a view of it?
Yeah. First of the falls. I think it's got some minnows in it.
That's just the first waterfall.
Yep.
So we saw the first little waterfall. Now on to the next. Overdressed today. We should have wore shorts. It's definitely warmed up. Hiking it.
Ain't too shabby.
Yeah, not too bad.
Got here alert, but we're here and
Gonna enjoy
it
it.
ain't too hot either. It's a perfect day to hike.
These people are cute. They're like hiking down the middle of the creek. Good for them. So this whole trail is right along the creek, which makes it really pretty. Definitely waterproof shoes or sandals, and don't mind your feet getting wet. It's really muddy. Creek is just really pretty. You literally have big condos though right next to it. I bet we're getting close. I feel like we've definitely hiked half a mile. But it's relatively easy because it's level, no incline. That's pretty. Pretty little bluff alongside the creek.
Moisture coming off.
Rocks. Getting close. I'll see it. I'll see it. Right through the trees. When you get to these bluffs, you know you're getting close. So close to the bluffs is the waterfall.
I just started playing Joy. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna play Joy at home. I don't care. You know? And even like in the morning when they're walking in. I know, I'm trying to decide where to step. And the kids went decided the other way. Well,
Go ahead, go this way. I think you can.
is there a way to get through there that way?
Get your feet wet.
I think there's a way.
I didn't get it up here.
I would have felt better if I would have had my free hands up.
It ain't bad this way.
No, you're good this way.
Good.
And we're there. Look at this waterfall. One on this side. Big one over there. Gorgeous. Come over here and take a picture with me.
Get that far.
Oh, it's like multi-level. Here.
Right now I'm going to the main one. Top of it.
Alright guys, that is it from the Waterfall Trail near Hollister and Branson area. It was a 0.66 mile hike. It was super easy.
Super easy, not bad.
Really pretty. We've got some great footage of some waterfalls for you. Thanks for watching, guys.
Guys, have a good one.